Climb inside the 2018 Kia Niro. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions.